Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss these three important integrals, and here we are not going to solve these three integrals by the usual method of integration, but here we'll write down the values of these three integrals by using a direct result, right? So let us first see the general integral. Now see, suppose we have an integral say from 0 to a, and the integrand is x times, here we have square root of a square minus x square divided by a square plus x square dx, right? So suppose we have this type of integral, and we can easily see that this integral is similar to these three integrals, or in other words we can say that these three integrals are similar to this integral, right? So now if we take the procedure of usual method, then we can find out the value of this integral by method of substitution, right? But here we are not doing the lengthy method, but here we'll write down the direct value of this integral, right? So the direct value of this type of integral is given by a square, and then we have here pi by 4 minus half, right? So sometimes it is very useful to memorize these type of results to arrive at the result, right? So now we'll use this result to find out the values of these three integrals. So now let us compare this integral with this one, right? So when we compare this integral with this one, then we see that here the limits are from 0 to 2, and here we have 0 to a, right? And see, here we have x and square root of 4 minus x square divided by 4 plus x square. So we can now write this integral as 0 to 2 x, and square root of we can write it as 2 square minus x square over 2 square plus x square dx, right? So here the value of a is 2. So the value of this integral can be written as a squares. A is 2, so we have 2 square and multiplied by pi by 4 minus half. So we have 4, pi by 4 minus half. So this is 4 times pi by 4 minus 4 over 2, and this is pi minus 2, right? Now let us consider the second integral. See, this integral can be written as 0 to square root of 2, and here we have x, and then we have square root of 2 minus x square. So 2 can be written as the square of square root of 2, and here we have x square, and in the denominator we can write square root of 2 square plus x square dx, right? Now we compare this integral with this one. So the value of a is equal to square root of 2. So the direct value of this integral is root 2 square, and we have pi by 4 minus half, and here we have 2 pi by 4 minus half, and we multiply these two terms by this 2, so we'll get pi by 2 minus 1. Now let us take this third integral. So if we compare this integral with this one, then we can now write this integral as 0 to 1 x square root of 1 square minus x square over 1 square plus x square dx, right? And the value of a is obviously equal to 1. So the direct value of this integral is 1 square. Here we have a square and pi by 4 minus half. So this is simply pi by 4 minus half, right? So viewers, this is how by using these type of results and memorizing these results, we can easily write down the values of these type of integrals.